I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I got now.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time.
So I managed to get my hands on the new cranberry Bahama. So it's a cranberry cosmopolitan made with vodka and cranberry and lime flavor. I'm about to try it, guys. I wonder how it tastes. I hope it's really nice. But anything with the cranberry surely should be nice. So far, I've tried pina colada, which I love. I've tried mojito. I don't like it so much. I've tried watermelon. It's nice. I've tried strawberry daiquiri. Don't really like it that much. Strawberry daiquiri. It's okay, but it's not that great. What else have I tried? I've tried a tropical as well. Not my favorite. So far, I really like pina colada. That's my number one. And then after pina colada, I can say watermelon. And then yeah, that's it. But more likely, I'll just buy pina colada. More likely. So I'm going to try this one today. I'll let you know how it tastes. The worst thing that could possibly happened. I'm busy cooking, right? And peri-peri powder or spice came into my nose, guys. I've been sneezing non-stop. But anyway, here's my drink. It's open. I want to taste it for the first time with you. I haven't tasted it, just opened it. So let's taste it together. This is nice. This is nice, guys. I love it. Babe, it's nice. I think this is going to be my new fave. It's not too sweet. Yeah? It's, I would say, it's nice.
And stuff, right?
Right?
Hope to see you soon again.
I'm coming now. So guys, clink clink, absolutely love it. I think this is about to be my new fave. Plus the cranberry, guys. If you haven't tried it, please try this one. It is nice, and this is a new release. This is a new release. I saw the other time on their Instagram they posted that they've got this new flavor. Oh my gosh! So I think it's safe to say pina colada, and then cranberry, or cranberry then pina colada. Any one of those two. I'm loving it. I am so loving it. Ah. Anyway, let me go chill with my familia. I will see you guys when you see me. Mwah. Good morning. Another day, another dola. Sanbonani, my handsome honeys. What am I saying? Sanbonani, my honeys, and my beautiful honeys, and my handsome honeys. Guys, I'm so hungry. I think that's why my mind is not working. But good morning. morning, it's another day, it's another dollar. If you're new here, guys, my name is Johanna Langa, and this is my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope you do like it here and you do stay, because it's me. Anyway, guys, my phone cutting off like that, it just did a weird thing, but I just wanted you guys in mood. Like, let's be honest, I'm a pretty girl. But as long as jail one is a jailer, so is it jailer? Anyway, guys, I want to show you my OOTD as per usual. I already took my shades off. So, guys, I think if you've seen my previous vlog, you would have realized that I travel by bus, ne? So I haven't been wearing heels. I think I mentioned this. Did I mention that the other time? I haven't been wearing heels because it's been winter and winter iyabanda, and I was just not in the mood to wear my heels. I enjoy heels, but during winter clearly I don't. So now that it's getting warmer, I'm back in my heels zoom, whatever you want to say it, whatever you want to call it. So today I'm wearing heels again. So I'm using the bus, right? And I'm like, nah. So I came with flats and then I changed into my heels as I stepped into the office, because one thing about walking in heels, it will ruin your heels. So I don't want to ruin my heels. I want my heels to last longer. So I'd rather wear flats and then I change when I get to the office, and then later on when I knock off, then I'll change back into my flats again. So guys, I need to buy more shades, because I'm finding that these shades, I've got two of these, né, with this print, and then the other one has no print. It's just like, I'd say I know shady red, but I really love these ones. That's why I always wear them. I find that they match with everything, especially formal. The other shades that I have, they're too funky, like they're too out there for formal. Okay, so yeah, this is me today. This is me. I'm Shanje. I hope you'll be able to see me. Obviously, my earrings that I've got on. Today I'm wearing just two of these accessories. My favorite chain. That's another thing that I need to invest in. I need to buy another chain today. I'm definitely wearing a skirt. Will y'all see me? I'm wearing a skirt. Okay, guys. My OOTD I hope, because wow. Can you see me? Let me try make it lower again. Yeah, I think that will work. So I'm wearing this, it's a pleated skirt. It's a pleated skirt. And then I'm wearing this jacket. These are my shoes, guys. How cute are they? Ah, stunning, right? Stunning. And the heel is not like that high. So yeah, love them. And that's my OOTD, guys. So I've got heels at home that are just chilling, waiting for me to wear them and stuff. So I'm definitely going to utilize them now that I'm back into my heel zoom and stuff like that, guys. I'm super hungry, and no, I'm not eating Nutrific today. I'm having bread. So I'm about to make myself some tea, and then I'm going to have bread and tea. And I'm early. Yes, I'm early. But I think it helps me to be early, guys, so that I can be able to start my vlog and because it's impossible for me to vlog in the morning because I'm preparing to come to work. So it would be absurd for me to think that I can vlog at home in the morning. Like, I'd be late because the time that I leave the house, guys, no normal human being should be leaving the house unless it's cutlass. So, oh my word, it's just like not fair. But it's okay, we do what we gotta do, because that's just how it is. Adulting is adulting. Give a fair to. And yeah, planning to do some fun stuff over the next couple of weekends. So the vlogs should be more fun and exciting, guys. I don't want to always be vlogging myself sitting here in the office, chit-chatting and whatever. But at the same time, I have to be realistic. If that's what is happening, that's what is happening. Like, I can't pretend to be doing something when I'm not. That's just weird. And I'm not gonna like go extreme just to have content and stuff, guys. Like, I can't be that person. Anyway, let me stop blabbing and go make myself some breakfast and eat and chat to you guys when we chat. Now that I have opened up the vlog, oh, you'll see me when I will see you when you see me. From this pretty face to your pretty face, and probably your handsome face. Later. Bye, guys. Sun-kissed what, my son? I'm waiting for the bus, guys. And yeah, I want to catch the bus that will take me straight home because I don't want to connect. So that's why I left early. I left the office early so I can actually see if I can catch the earlier bus. I want to get home early from now on. I don't want to get home when it's dark, so wish me luck, okay?
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Good morning, guys. Today I am so tired. It's not even funny. Like, can't tell and I'm telling you guys, like, I'm not energy. Yeah, anything. Even nase basin. Like, I even slept in the bus. I don't like sleeping when traveling, like angtandinji. Whether it's in a taxi, it's in a car, it's in a bus. I prefer not to sleep, but the way I was so tired, or the way I'm so tired today, guys, I fell asleep in the bus. But not fully asleep. I was listening to radio. So, like, I was busy dozing off, and then I would wake up, like, just in papan. So, like, I'm super, super tired. Yeah, but I just came in to say good morning to you guys, and I'll do an OOTD. Let me just quickly set up, and then I'll do an OOTD. Let me set up quickly.
me up, don't let me down. Study more and more. I think you need it before. Quickly I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Never wanna drown. I need a hit from you. Going on the time. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
These the aunts with donuts. That one? Yeah, Pinajani. I like eat donuts. Which one? Yeah, then I let phezulu right. The ring donuts, yeah. All our 10 rands, eh? Yes, please. Thank you. Guys, check this out. Sushi at Pick and Pay. And I don't know if I want to try it out. Hectic. So, yeah, done. Yo. I don't think I trust the sushi. You can pay.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. For joining, and
I will see you in my next vlog, guys.